Hello and welcome to Living Well with Tina. Today I am going to be talking to you about the Premium Starter Kit. Many of you I have met in person, and those of you who I haven't met in person, I have either talked to you through a Facebook one-on-one class or in person at the Chamber of Commerce, where we usually have most of our meetings, or privately one-on-one. Either way, you have either purchased that Premium Starter Kit from me. And so what I want to do is give you a little walkthrough on how you can totally benefit from that Premium Starter Kit, mainly focusing on the diffuser. Because usually what happens is once you get your kit, you're so excited. Once you sign up for your kit, you're super duper excited. You have learned all this great information, but then you have to wait for your Premium Starter Kit to arrive. And usually what happens, the duration between the class and you're actually receiving your Premium Starter Kit, it could be some days in between, because you have to allow for shipping and everything like that and processing. So usually you can lose your enthusiasm, or you can either forget a lot of things that you learned in the class. So what I'm going to do today is not go through everything with the class, but I'm just going to talk about something specific. Because one thing I want you guys to really do when you get your Premium Starter Kit from me is to utilize your diffuser right off the bat, because your diffuser is a great tool and asset to your essential oils. It's always great to put them on you topically. What I encourage is to do it all three ways. Topically, which means put on the skin, ingest the essential oils that is listed as ingestible with the Vitality line, and also diffuse, because by doing it those three ways, excuse me, you will reap the best benefits from your Premium Starter Kit. So this is how the Premium Starter Kit looks. It is absolutely lovely, and the Premium Starter Kit is very special in that it provides you with a great foundation of oils to get you started that can be beneficial for a variety of different things to support your wellness. So when you open your kit, you will see your Young Living logo and the Seed to Seal promise on the front of your kit. Then when you open it, you will see the kit like this. And like I said before, we have some oils that are listed called Vitality, which means simply these are the white labels, and the FDA requires us to do this so that the consumer will know which oils are ingestible. But the key thing is, whether it's in the white label or solid label, like say for example you have Thieves in the solid label and you can have Thieves in the Vitality line, they're the same exact oil inside the bottle, but just to make it consumer friendly, you put the white labels on the ones in which you can ingest. But to make and you can also use these inside your diffuser as well, white labels or solid labels, it doesn't matter. Like I said, in this kit you get a very good basis, a very good starting place, and that's the only kit in which you get half off. So that's why it's such a big deal, because if you buy these things separately, it will be expensive. But being that you're getting all, Young Living is so super duper awesome by putting all these great oils in one kit for you, it helps you to save money and get you off to a great oily start. So you get Purification, RC, Digest, Panaway, Cobaya, Thieves, frankincense, lemon, peppermint, and lavender, with a bonus oil, Stress Away. What I want to do is just simply demonstrate how you will actually use your diffuser. Pull this baby out. It will, of course, I have been using mine so much so it's kind of rubbed off, but this is the Dewdrop diffuser. Young Living has several other diffusers, but this is the one that I got with my Premium Starter Kit, and it comes with the kit. So what you do, you take the top off, and it looks like this. See? And then you take this part off, and then you add water in. And if you can see, I already have some water in here, but if you can see, it's going to be like a little red dot. Let me see, can you see it? I can't do it because I already have some oils in it. But it has like a red dot inside this diffuser. You fill it up to the red dot with water. And then you add an essential oil to it. I'm going to do purification. Use one drop, 2 drops, sometimes more than 1 drop drops out. This one is about empty, so it's going to take, that's it. You take your inner part, put it back on top, and then you take this, the outer layer, and put it back. And you don't have to turn it, I just turned it. And then it has a button right here on your diffuser. You match it, and then it actually starts. Now when you first mash your button on your diffuser, the light will come on as well as the diffuser. If you don't want the night light to be on, what you do is just simply mash it again, and the light will go off, and it just be the diffuser mechanism coming out. I don't know if you can see it, but that is super duper simple in using your diffuser, and you can smell the oils, and it's just a wonderful scent. So that's what I just want to show you, how simple it is to use your diffuser. So when you get your premium starter kit, please utilize your diffuser right from the start, and please utilize taking your oils internally. I know that's just a little bit hard for most of us to do, like to take the oils eternally, but I'm here to tell you, I take the oils eternally with the Vitality line. And let me show you those again. Those are the ones with the white label, so that lets you know white label you can ingest. And it's so beneficial. And I mean, I drink tea, I make tea with it every morning, various different ones, and it really supports all my major body systems. I absolutely love it. And then of course I also diffuse as well, and I also make different things to rub on my body topically. So when you get that wonderful, amazing kit, don't lose that enthusiasm. Keep it going. Pull out that diffuser, start using it as ASAP, and also start playing around with your kit, using stuff, looking up stuff about the oils, using it to your full benefit. And like if you signed up with me, call me, text me, and I will walk you through the entire process. I just want you to get the full benefit for the great investment that you made for yourself and for your family, investing in your guys' wellness. And congratulations for taking on that journey and really putting forth great effort and making that change, and taking the time to make that investment. I am so proud of you for taking charge of your wellness. Welcome to the family. Have a great day. Bye.